catch me if I fall.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Katie Daisy Show. My name is Katie Dawson, and today we are going to discuss what I am going to be bringing to a 5-day camping festival. Now, I do have a van. This is Miss Daisy. This is my 2019 ProMaster. So I don't know about any kind of tent or anything, but this is what I will be camping in. Sorry, it's really icy and snowy out here, so I'm slipping. Anyways, let's begin. Alright, so I actually already just finished up packing Miss Daisy with all the things I need. We're actually leaving for a 2-week trip to Loveburn Festival in Miami. I'm in Salt Lake City, Utah right now, so I actually have a 3-day drive to get there and a 3-day drive back. And the festival is 5 days, and I will be camping on an island with my other camp with Miss Daisy. And I'm also setting up my own little booth for people to learn how to wire wrap. I brought mats for the floor. I brought tarps. To get the tarps up to create shading, I have these, which are, they're actually broken legs off of a canopy, and they work really well for holding a tarp up, and then bring some rope and you can just tie it there, and you can actually adjust this in a way for length, for how tall you want it. But yeah, I actually have 2 of those. Let's see. I have a table for me. I also have tablecloths, a bunch of tablecloths. I have 2 of these garden chairs I got from Goodwill. Let's see. I have a little table right here. I always have that with me. I have a broom. There's my other second thing. Okay, I have trash bags for the trash can. I just stocked up on propane back here, so I have a bunch of propane for my stove and oven. I have silverware. I haven't stocked up my food completely, but we have some essential things, just a couple little things for ourselves. Along with here, for food, I like to do simple things and nutritional that are good for you, like bars, peanut butter's good, ramen's simple, easy, fast. That'll probably be good for road food. Tuna, I have some butterscotch to give out, and let's see, all my other cooking little things. Coconut oil is very important. There is going to be sand fleas out there. I have honey and syrup. Mac and cheese, tea, need tea. I have cooking utensils here. I also brought some cups and bowls, and these are actually utensils for the outside that was given to me. It's got straws and a cup, a spoon, and straw cleaner. Ooh, I could use that. I have that. Shot glasses. Don't forget your can opener, dish soap, hand sanitizer, that's good. Speaker, we need a speaker. Let's see. Oh, I also brought a cute umbrella for myself when it's hot to walk around with. Brought some rings and little jewelry right there. I also brought seasoning. I also have pens and all these little things that I could use. Pan, pot, some plates. I also packed some Tupperware for any leftovers that I can store away, along with some more cups. And here's a light that I can hook up. This is a portable blender that I can use, and then a mosquito repellent that I have. Okay, I also brought 2 6-gallon jugs of fresh water that I got for free, which is awesome. It's purified water. This one actually has minerals in it in water, and this is just oxygenated water, whatever that means. Toilet is nice and cleaned out and ready to go and filled with frozen water right now because it's so freaking cold. Here we have a toaster, we have some tequila, and we have just some cleaning utensils that I can use to keep the van nice and clean throughout my trip. I have some extra bags, so I have a fanny pack for me to walk around with. Another fanny pack, little backpack, just little bags I can use during the trip. And then I just filled up my entire closet with jackets for the night. I brought some skirts. I brought my cowgirl boots because I really want to wear those and I haven't worn those. I brought a couple t-shirts, couple sweaters, and then some regular old crop tops and little shirts here. Got some hats, a couple shoes. I brought mostly sandals for myself. And one pair, well, I got a brown pair of boots and a black pair of boots. Also, don't forget jewelry, so I also brought some jewelry along with a fan during the day if it gets too hot. Then down here, I brought baskets of pants, shorts, makeup bag, basket of underwear, bra, all that good shit. And then down here, I have a sleeping bag just in case, and I have a whole pack of like lingerie and just extra stuff for a festival. Really anything. I also have a trash can, Anna's food, a couple bottles of liquor. We'll need more. And I also have, wow, this stuff is like really empty. Hair stuff. Hairspray. I do need to get some dry shampoo. That's very important. It's pretty empty. Yeah. So I also packed a whole bunch of lights for myself for the festival because I want to decorate my area here. So I have a bunch of like battery powered lights in here. It's always good to decorate. I also got some kitchen stuff, just some plastic bags and stuff, and foil if I need it. And then I got, so this is a whole pack of sunglasses. I know I'm obsessed. And then this is just more rings and some belly button rings. I also brought my elf ears. If you're gonna do elf ears, guys, just bring some eyelash glue to glue them to your ears so they don't come off as easily. So I brought a wire wrapping sign that I made. Tablecloths. I actually went to Goodwill and bought like 3 packs of these Christmas lights for $3. I also have a hammock that I can set up, swing back there that sits in the van. And then I have my tool bag down here just in case if the van does anything, I can fix her in any kind of way. Down here I have my wire wrapping tools and a easel to hold my sign, along with a bunch of tapestries. So I got a lot of tapestries and mats and tablecloths, just stuff to brighten up my area for decoration. That's all in there in that big bag. Kind of store her away for times like this. I also brought some film. So I do have a Polaroid camera, so I got some film here. Candles are up there too. I also brought some towels and then some beach towels or towels for myself. I know for the 3-day drive I am going to want to take a shower, so I am planning to stop at Planet Fitness probably once or twice through the drive because I just get so stinky when I drive. It's gross. So I do pack a bag for myself for the drive, so I don't have to come back here and grab stuff. What I mean is, it's because I have a bike that needs to come in here, and getting around her to get things is very difficult. So I do recommend just packing a travel bag with a couple pairs of underwear, socks, pants, shirts, and a bralette if you want to wear one. and then a jacket. Just stick to one jacket for the whole trip. It's not that big of a deal. And then for the shower, just make a shower bag with all your soaps and your loofah and your towel and your just about anything you need for your shower. So you can just grab the bag and go and don't have to like fiddle and find everything every time you have to take a shower. So I do have a bunch of blankets and a pillow up here. I have a chair, bed topper, more blankets back there. When I do get to Miami, I am gonna go on a grocery run and go to the grocery store and buy all kinds of food and baby wipes. I know that's on the list. And dry shampoo, very important for the trip. Don't forget a bike lock. You don't want to be riding around and lose your bike, so don't forget a bike lock. Don't forget batteries for your lights. Also, tape is good. So let's go ahead and get the bicycle in, and then we'll be ready to go. This is the bicycle I am bringing. She's got a basket on her. I am bringing zip ties. Oh, and also I do have an extra tank of gas, just in case. Always very careful. Be very prepared if anything happens. Also, I do have a mini fire extinguisher back there, just in case, because this van is made out of wood. My water tank is full. Almost. Well, will be when I get there. She's a little frozen right now, so we're kind of waiting for her to thaw. I think that's it. I think that's everything we need. So I hope this video helped you get a good idea of what to pack for a 5-day festival trip where you're camping. If you have a tent, I would say this is probably kind of similar, maybe. Probably a lot less. But I mean, I have my own tent. It's not like I have to make up a tent. So a tent would just be without the van, you know? And you don't have to bring all the extra things like wire wrapping and the tarps and stuff. I mean, I recommend the tarps, but like the table. But I do recommend a table because it's good to have a table to put stuff on. Anyways, bring hats, bring sunscreen, bring all your hair stuff, bring your makeup, have a little makeup mirror for yourself. I recommend that. I already have one, so I don't have to worry about packing it. But yeah, I hope this video helped you to get a good idea, and be careful with driving. And if you're thinking about driving across the country like I am, good luck to you.